Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys a review of this beautiful brown ombre curly Upart wig, and I'm going to show you 3 different styles on how I styled this Upart. And I know a lot of you guys have been asking me for protective styles that look natural but also can retain length. And currently RPGSHOW is having a sale on this wig, $70 off. So I'm going to include all the details of this wig and the sale in my description box below. So this is what the wig looks like when I first took it out of the package. It has elastic band, it has clips, and it also has several attachment combs. And so I just co-washed it, and this is what it looks like when it's wet. And then I air dried it, and the curls are beautiful. The color is beautiful. And you could put in leave-in conditioner if you'd like to get a bit more curl definition, and that's what I kind of did. And this is what the Upart looks like after I cut out the band in there. And then I put a wig cap on, which it comes with a wig cap. And then so basically, depending on how much hair you want to leave out with the style, I made sure to kind of just assess the wig on my hair first. And then I had my hair in twists, and I had a little bit of leave-in conditioner and a little bit of product in there. And then basically I wanted to figure out how much hair to leave out. And depending on what hairstyle you want, for me, I first tried it out with a little bit of hair because I wanted to see kind of how much hair I would need to make it look natural. And mind you guys, this is my first time doing a Upart wig. So I put in a little bit of gel because I wanted to see if my natural curls in a wash and go would actually kind of blend in with the hair pattern, because my curls in the front of my hair are a bit more looser. So I wanted to kind of try it out first. And then I'll also show you guys at the end that I did a twist out as well to see if my hair matched with the twist out. So because it's an ombre wig, my actual natural hair is brown. And so because the front part of my hair is shorter, I was able to blend it very easily with the ombre wig because the top part of the wig is brown, and then the rest is a nice, beautiful brownish reddish auburn look, which is my favorite color, especially for the summertime. And so as you guys can see, it was very easy to blend, and I wanted to get a lot more volume into the wig, so all I did was finger comb it. And that's what I did for about a few minutes, and I got a really, really nice volume, and it helped kind of blend the rest of my hair as well. And then because I love layers in my hair, I could have left it like this because I actually really liked it, but for me, I like to shape my face a bit more. So I did cut a little bit of layers in the front, and I really love the way it turned out. And it just looked more voluminous and just it blended more, and I just really love the movement and the look. And for those that want a more natural look with the wig, this is the look for you. And it was very easy, very simple. And now I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like in the back, and it blended very, very easily, you guys, and nobody would suspect that this is a wig, especially for those that want it to look natural, and a lot of people have a hard time gluing down their lace wigs. So now I'm going to show you guys how another style I did with this Upart wig, and this time I did a twist out, and I actually left out a lot more hair than the first time because I wanted to show you guys different hairstyles. And the more hair you leave out, the more natural it can kind of look sometimes too, because then you can kind of switch up the hairstyle a lot more, and you can show the sides and all that too as well. So basically when I did the twist out, I took my hair and the wig and I kind of combined it together in a twist. So I had about 3 twists on each side, so 6 twists all together. And all I did was spray a little bit of water because I already had product in my hair, so it just reactivated everything. And mind you, I'm only using like the clips that come with the wig to really secure the hair, and you can add a couple bobby pins. I think I used 2 bobby pins. But I did take it out the next day, and as you guys can see, the curl pattern is a lot more different, which I actually like because you can get more than one hairstyle with this wig. But I could have left it alone, but I kind of wanted to try a different style to kind of see if it would blend in a bit more. So I kind of twisted up the front part of it, and I took a bobby pin and pinned it down. And I thought it was a really cute little look for the summertime, and I really, really enjoyed it. And I think this is one of my favorite looks that I got from this wig. And this is the last hairstyle that I tried out with this Upart wig. It was basically the wash and go, but I took the twist out pieces and I turned that into wash and go. So I had more hair out in the front, and all I did was put it in a ponytail. And as you can see, the sides of my hair is showing. I could either leave out my bangs or tuck it behind my ear. And I think it was really cute, and again, it looks really natural. So let me know in the comments below, have you guys ever tried a Upart wig before? What are your guys' tips and tricks as to how to make it look natural? What is your favorite hairstyle? And let me know what you guys think about this wig and how I styled it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!